Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm NeonVaritas, and today we're going to be talking about songfics, what to do, what not to do, what to look for in a song so that you don't end up making it cringy. So, first of all, what you're going to want to do is to find a song with a storyline. Not just find a song that you like or a song that fits a situation, because there are plenty of songs that I found that I'm like, oh my goodness, that reminds me of such and such a character. But they're not songfic songs. Not at all. And so what you need to do is find a song that tells a story, not a song that, fits a story. So, like, musicals have lots of songs that you can use. Just make sure that you're using them in the right context. Don't, do something crazy where it's entirely a different meaning than it was originally. So, like, if you have a pair of thieves, you could do something from, like, Bonnie and Clyde if they're in love, Do something from Bonnie and Clyde and use that in a songfic, because that's already about two thieves, and so it works. It fits already. Or you can try to think of songs that, like, Taylor Swift, her first, album, I think it was her first, but either way, the one with, Mean and, You Belong With Me. You Belong With Me is one that I've actually used in a song that I wrote, and it already tells a story. So really, I just, added some in between. It wasn't the best, but it wasn't as cringy as I've seen some, because some are very cringy. So instead of looking for a song that fits a story, look for a story that you can pull out of the song. The second thing is really similar to the first. Don't put the song into a story, put the story into a song. So what I'm meaning is, instead of just inserting the song into the story just for some background noise or just in between, make sure that it goes along with what's happening, and you can use some of the song as some of the actual things that are happening. And more will be in the second point about other things that you can do involving the song. But instead of, if the song says, I walked down the street the other day, then have that be what is going on in that next sentence. So, if it was a sad song, it's I walked down the street the other day and saw my friend had betrayed me. That doesn't rhyme, but let's use that. So have it be Lion walked down the street, and what she saw gave her a heart attack. Her best friend was off with her worst enemy. So instead of putting the song in and having the song just in the background, have the song be most of the story, or be a good bit of the story, or be what drives the story. Use it. Don't just, insert the song. So one time I made this really horrible fanfic, and it is so cringy. I haven't gotten rid of it digitally, so I still have it in my Google Docs and stuff. But I completely tore it out of my notebook and threw it away because I was that appalled by it, because I didn't want to see it anytime I flipped it through my notebook. In Google Docs, it's kind of way at the bottom because I never look at it. And literally what I did was I inserted the song into the fanfic. So it was Steve Rogers or something, or Captain America, whichever one you want to call him. And he literally just asked Peter-chan to dance. And then I put the words in between and literally just had them play the song. It was literally there for background music for them to dance to. I wrote that at 3 a.m. because I couldn't sleep. And I was obsessed with the song at the moment. Don't be a me. Don't do that. Pick a song that actually you can turn into a fanfic. not a fanfic that you can insert a song in. Don't be me. That's the cringiest thing I've ever written. Point number 3. Use dialogue to your advantage. Like with musical songs, they're literally dialogue from one character to another. Use that. And then just add more. Add your in-between stuff. If it's not, like with Love Story by Taylor Swift. I know I'm using lots of Taylor Swift, but she has some good songs for Songfics in that, like, album. And it's like, knelt on the ground and pulled out a ring and said, and you can literally quote that and put that as, like, Mary needs Juliet, you'll never have to be alone. Will said to Elizabeth. Because that's what I came up with. Use that. Okay? Don't just let that dialogue just be just in the thing. Really turn it into the fanfic. Don't, like I said, don't put a song, don't insert a song into a fanfic. Don't insert it into a story. Insert the story into the song. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, definitely subscribe, hit that bell notification, give this video a thumbs up, normal YouTuber stuff. Comment down below if you have any other types of fanfics that you'd like me to cover and like what I think should be done with a certain kind of fanfic, tips that I've learned through writing. I pretty much have written most kinds, except for like bad kinds. I'm a Christian. I don't write anything, but I write all different kinds. Just comment down below what you guys want to see next. I'll go over it. If you have a different kind of video idea that's not related to fanfic, let me know. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I'm NeonVaritas, and I hope you have a lovely day. Or night. I messed up a lot. So, here's the bloopers. So, you need something?
I need the phone.
Don't put the story into a song. Put the song in. YN walked down the street, and what she saw gave her heart a. I don't know where I was going with this. Will Turner walked down the street. So.
Come here to interrupt another video.
What was I saying? I don't remember what I was saying. Okay. If a song says, like, and she yelled at me, blah, blah, blah. So, thank you guys for listening, watching. I have written crossovers about Sherlock Holmes, not Sherlock Holmes. Same actor, different character. Doctor Strange happening to go on the Black Pearl in Pirates of the Caribbean. Because that makes sense. Once again, I'm NeonVaritas, and
you're watching Disney Channel.